Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up push to talk on your Discord profile. So this is very useful if you're for example in a voice channel and you'll notice that there's a green highlight around my icon. So this means that I'm currently speaking into the voice channel. But sometimes there's background noise that is mistaken for actual speaking and Discord starts streaming that noise into the voice channel. So if you want to avoid that, another way you can get around that is by having push to talk enabled. And what push to talk basically is you have a key that you press or a hotkey that will turn it on. And while you're pressing that key, you can speak into your microphone and whatever you said will be picked up and will be sent to the voice channel. And the moment you let go, it's going to turn off again. So if we want to change that, all we have to do is go to our voice settings by clicking on this small arrow beside the microphone, going to voice settings, scrolling down, and we can see push to talk. If we turn this on, it's going to turn push to talk on, and we have a push to talk keybind here that we can set. For this video, I'll be using a simple one. I'll just be using my number pad. So my number pad minus is my push to talk key. So if you notice, my icon no longer has a green ring around it. So that means Discord is not sending any audio to the voice channel. But the moment I press my number pad minus key, there it turns on. And you can also hear a small beep that means that it is currently sending data to the voice channel. There are also more advanced settings you can do, such as changing the gain control, activity, attenuation, etc. But most importantly is this push to talk release delay. So whenever you let go, there's going to be a delay between how long it still keeps on recording. So let's say I make this a full 2 seconds to really showcase it. So if I press it and then I let go, it's still recording. You can see that my portrait was still lit up for a good 2 seconds before it completely shut off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off right now. Once you enable push to talk also, you will be able to quickly change between your settings here. So that was how to enable push to talk your Discord settings. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.